Aga.
This is Jared.
And this is Apple.
Welcome to the Nanga Speaks podcast.
Join our beloved conversations
about God's love and joy.
Makasama namin ang famous na couple. Meron silang famous din na podcast. Ang tawag doon ay Langga Speaks. So, kasama natin ngayon ang dalawa, si Jeric at saka si Apple. Good morning!
Yes!
Good morning! Maayong aga!
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting us.
Oo, so sobrang aga. Talagang bedroom voice pa tayo.
Oh, okay. Medyo na yun.
I wanted to ask, Apple, kayo ba, did you guys start as friends ba before you jumped into your relationship na?
So, sa amin naman ni Jeric, we met because of World Youth Day. It's an event that happens every 4 years, 4 or 5 years.
2 to 3 years.
So, we met because our church sent a delegation to Brazil noon. Because that's where we met the Pope.
Copacabana. Ay.
Sasayo ka ngayon?
Next level pala kayo, sa Brazil pa
Brazil,
talaga. Nag-start
I-follow ang
ito.
Portuguese. Umpuko Portuguese.
Hanggang doon lang po yung alam niya. And then later on parang a year later, doon na siya nag-ask. Actually, hindi nga siya nag-ask but then he courted me until naging kami. Pero sige, klaro mo, nagtanong ka ba?
Hindi ako nagtanong. Yun yung pinakamaganda doon eh. Hindi ko siya tinanong, pwede ba kitang ligawan? Talagang dinaretso ko na, liligawan kita.
Ay, with conviction.
Yes.
Oo.
Kinorner ko pa siya sa liligawan kita. Huwag kang pupunta ko saan. Liligawan kita.
At dahil ginawa
At
niya
dahil
yun,
doon, lumipad siya sa Pilipinas, binlak ako, hindi ako kinausap.
Hindi ka ba hirapan sa pagligaw sa kanya?
Ang hirap nga po kasi nung pagkasabi ko noon, talagang wala. Tumaas ang kanya mga pader.
Oo, hindi ba yun parang sign na sa'yo nun? Dapat, Jerry,
Oo,
na,
di ba? Sa iba parang,
oo.
choosy ka pa. So anyway, umuwi siya sa Pilipinas, I took that opportunity na pumunta naman sa bahay nila at pagpaalam sa kanya mga magulang.
Oh.
Okay, ilang araw ba o umabot ng buwan ang pangligaw mo?
Oo, parang taon nga eh. Feeling ko taon pero buwan lang pala.
Mga 7 to 9 months. I lost
7 to
count
9
to be
months.
honest.
Uy, pero mahaba yan.
Mahaba yun?
Mahaba na yun.
Tsaka he didn't court just me. He courted my parents, yung mga kapatid ko. Tapos since dito din ako lumaki, lahat ng mga close friends ko, niligawan talaga niya.
Ano ba? Because you think na talagang nung una mo nakita si Apple, ay, eto na yan. Eto na yan.
Siguro kasi, nasa age na rin ako na ayoko na ng paligoy-ligoy pa. Diba? Parang you want to find something. You want to find a solid ground na, sige, kung eto na talaga, kailangan paghandaan ko to. So, nung nililigawan ko pa lang siya, nag-start na ako mag-ipon.
Uy!
Oo.
Oh,
Financially.
nalaman ba ni Apple na may iniipon ka pala habang nangligaw ka sa kanya?
Hindi po niya
Wala.
alam.
But what he didn't know also, kasi first boyfriend ko siya eh. Tapos, nung sinagot ko na siya, nung naging official couple kami, doon din ako nag-start mag-ipon.
Oo.
So, what I didn't know was when he was planning to propose. Pero we knew kasi when we were gonna enter into the relationship, marriage na yung end goal namin. So, it turned out he would propose after 2 years din. And he proposed po dun sa World Youth Day din. But this time in
2016 naman,
Poland.
sa Poland.
Alam mo, iba ka talaga.
Pero tanong ko lang, paano nyo, ikaw nalaman na, para sa mo na ito ng tamang time, nag-propose ka na para magpakasal kayo?
Actually, it wasn't even the right time kasi nung time na yon, ang dami naganap.
Okay.
Nagkaroon ng aksidente yung father-in-law ko. Parang sabi ko, parang wrong timing magpaalam. Pero sige, push natin to. And it was good also because prior to that, nung kami na, I used to, nung kami pa dating stage, I used to write her letters. Tapos hinuhulog ko siya sa Emirates Post Peace 1 dirham.
This is what I like, yes.
Every-
Bayan na yan, that you receive
Yes.
yung mga letters.
Kasi yung post office, sa likod lang ng bahay namin before.
I used to get letters in my office every week.
So, merong isang letter doon, yung kauna-unahang letter doon, na naka-post date siya sa date ng World Youth Day.
Oh, okay.
In Poland.
Kaya
Yeah.
sabi ko, merong letter na hindi pa nasisend. So, doon ko yung binasa sa Poland.
At that time din kasi I didn't want him to spend din. I told him when we were preparing for the wedding and preparing for marriage, I don't want to get into yung parang mag-spend kami ng million sa kasi
true.
it's just one day.
That's
So,
true.
ganun. So, kahit sabi ko sa kanya, kahit sa engagement ring, wag kang mag-spend, ayoko ng engagement ring. Kasi knowing my personality, sabi ko, baka mahiwa ko pa yung sarili ko kung may bato, gano'n.
Baka mawala.
Oo, baka
or-
mawala,
Oo.
ganyan. So, in the end, he actually bought me
ay hiking boots. Yun ang pinang-propose ko. Kasi di ba sa Cinderella, yun ang pang-propose nung prince.
Oo, yung glass
Disney
shoe.
person kasi ito eh. So, yun ang naisip ko.
Ay, nice!
And para sa amin kasi, we believe na when you enter into marriage, ganun, dapat, di ba, we're used to soulmate, S-O-U-L.
Soulmate ko siya. Pero kami, we believe in?
S-O-L-E, mate.
Witty. Witty.
Parang journey mo sa buhay.
So, magtanong lang ko sa inyo, at based din sa inyo life ninyo,
Yes po.
ano yung mga rason bakit nag-aawa yung mga couples? Bigyan mo kami ng 3.
I think one would be yung when you get into a relationship, when you just get in because feeling mo, tapos pag nawala na yung feelings mo, ayoko na, okay, out na ako, ganon. Kasi hindi ko nararamdaman yung pagmamahal doon.
Yung kilig.
Yung kilig factor, wala na yung mga opa moves na ginagawa ng boyfriend ko sa akin. Parang
Kilabot na.
Pinagdidirihan na.
Darating talaga.
Which is true naman, kasi mawawala talaga yung feelings. Kaso, especially when you're entering and preparing for marriage, dapat maalala natin na commitment siya. And it's a choice that we make, and it shouldn't just be led by yung nararamdaman natin.
Yung pangalawa siguro, yung lack of preparation. Financially especially. Kasi kahit gaano nyo kamahal ang isa't isa, love will not keep you alive talaga eh.
Sample.
Diba?
Kansa yun na.
Kasi, alam mo yung kanta yun, love will keep us alive. Ayan. More blending.
May moment kayo doon.
Diba? Kasi usually, pagka hindi natin napaghahandaan yan, finances are not the most important thing. It's not the most important thing in life, but the lack of it affects the important things in life.
And I think the third one is when you're really, you're not giving your full self. Yung nagtatago ka pa behind a certain, yung certain filters. Kasi when you enter into marriage as well, all filters will drop.
Yes.
Kaya Jeric and I entered into the certification program for something called SYMBIS, just saving your marriage before it starts. And one of the factors there, pinag-usapan namin yung mga caution flags ng bawat tao. Na hindi naman siya na parang red light, green light na ituloy niyo yung relationship. Pero it helps na i-discuss yung mga yung mga nilalaman ng puso mo, ng utak mo, na baka hindi nyo pa na pag-usapan.
Yeah.
Kasi lalabas din yun eh. Kasi marriage is a magnifier. Kung sino ka as a single person, mas lalo siyang lalaki when you're married na.
Anong mga advice nyo para sa mga mag-partner ngayon or sa mga couple na?
Or someone who is looking for love.
Yan.
Okay, like you.
Yeah.
No, I am so much in love.
Ano yung advice nyo naman sa lahat? Mga
Siguro for
nakatapos?
single people muna, because that was something that I had to struggle with. Kasi nga first boyfriend ko si Jeric eh. Pero marami yung nagsasabi sa akin, dapat kahit single ka, yung season na yun, i-celebrate mo. Work on becoming the best version of yourself. Kasi mahirap na nakita mo na yung Mr. Right mo, kaso ikaw yung Mrs. Right ng Mr. Right mo. So take that time, enjoy that time. Pero at the same time also, create opportunities din. Huwag tayo maging best version of ourselves pero hindi pwede lumapit yung mga tao. Kasi mahirap naman nun. Sobrang galing mo na, best version ka na, pero hindi naman makalapit si Mr. Right dahil, yun, you would have turned him away. Right?
Exactly. Tapos siguro, isa rin sa mga ma-advise ko, iwasan natin yung missionary dating. Yung tipong, liligawan ko to o mamahalin ko to kasi pag naging kami, mababago ko siya. Oh, di ba?
Sorry, kasi sinabi mo yun.
Iba pumapasok sa ano eh. Ibig sabihin,
Okay.
ginagawang misyon.
Laruhin mo kasi.
Yun. Kasi usually, hindi mo naman kayang baguhin ng ibang tao, sarili mo lang. So, you cannot give what you do not have. So, kailangan mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo para maibigay mo yung tamang pagmamahal sa tao. At never mong pasukin ng isang relasyon para lang baguhin siya.
Sa mga couple naman, yung mga mag-asawa na.
Sa mga asawa, well, we're a young couple. We just celebrated 6 years of being married. Pero marami din yung mga mentors namin in marriage also have been married longer. Yun yung isa sinasabi namin sinasabi nila sa amin na the feelings will come, the feelings will go, but when you remember the commitment you made even after all the feelings have passed, that is what will help you to strive to work for a long-lasting marriage.
Kumbaga, you feel your feelings but act on what is right. Kasi yung feelings, yan eh, Traidor
Traidor.
yan. Di ba? Minsan parang feeling mo, gusto mo sapukin yung partner mo. Pero at the same time, meron ka rin time na gustong-gusto mo siyang hayakapin. But it doesn't mean that it makes it right or wrong, di ba? So, kailangan alamin mo kung ano yung tamang gawin.
Grabe, alam mo, gusto ko tuloy-tuloy itong usapan natin. Pero guys, kung nabitin kayo, sobrang saya. Talagang ang dami natin napulot na aral dito sa pag-uusap natin with Jeric and Apple. Well, pwede pa rin kayong makinig sa dalawang yan sa Langga Speaks. So,
Yes
maybe
po.
you can invite our listeners.
Linggo-linggo, inaimbitahan po namin kayo makinig. Every Monday po kami nagpa-publish sa aming podcast, Langga Speaks. Makikita niyo po ito sa langgaspeaks.com. That's Langga Speaks, S-P-E-A-K-S. Wow, galing sa spelling. Spelling the champion. .com. Para po sa aming mga content.
Or if you have any podcast players, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, you can find us there as well. You can also connect us through our social media accounts on Instagram, on Facebook.
Alright, maraming salamat!
Tag 91.1 Pinoy talaga.